Hi everybody. Just wanted to remind everybody of our contest we're running here in the month of February. For any of our real estate related posts, if you like the post, comment on the post, then share it on your wall, then your name automatically gets entered into our draw for a prepaid $50 gift card of your choice. So if you win, just tell us what you want and we'll get it for you. So again, remember, like, comment, and share. Have a great day and good luck. Hi everybody, it's Serge Bourgoin here from Serge Bourgoin Associates and FindMyHouse.ca. Today I've brought in a very special guest, Chita Metcalfe from the Mortgage Group, to talk about a topic that we get asked often about, and that's the New to Canada program. So first, I'd like to introduce you and welcome Chita Metcalfe.
Thank you, Serge, for having me. Delighted to be here.
Thank you, Chita. Chita, can you tell us a little bit about the New to Canada program? Who offers it?
So I can let you know that all three insurers, CMHC, Canada Guarantee, and Genworth, offer this program, as well as majority of the banks. So there's a lot of options for financing.
Okay. Well, that's one of the nice things I like about working with a mortgage broker such as Chita. She works with all the different lenders and banks out there, so she can choose the lender that's going to give you the best mortgage, the best terms, and the best interest rate. Now, in order for someone to qualify for this program, do they need to be a Canadian citizen, or do they need to have their Canadian permanent resident status?
Actually, you do not need to be a Canadian citizen or have your permanent residency status. You simply need a work permit with at least 6 months remaining on that permit.
So basically what you're saying is as long as they have an accepted offer on a property before that 6-month period, they're okay to qualify.
Correct. So when I submit the application, there should be 6 months left on their permit. Great.
Now, under this program, do they need to have more than a 5% down payment?
For an owner-occupied property, minimum is only 5%. The only stipulation, though, is that this 5% must come from own savings. So it cannot be gifted or borrowed. And this 5% must be accumulating in a Canadian or an overseas account for 90 days.
So as long as it can show that
history
that's been in their account for at least 90 days, they're good to go.
Correct.
Awesome. Now, are the interest rates on this program same as the interest rate that anybody else would get on a mortgage?
Correct. So best interest rates, same as you and I would get.
Awesome. Now, part of the process of getting qualified for a mortgage is always their credit rating or their credit score. How would this factor in this program?
Yes, so we're finding that one of the main challenges for New to Canada is that there's not enough credit history, or there's no credit history. So we can obtain an international credit bureau from countries such as the US or the UK. However, if one cannot be obtained, we can provide alternative credit sources by way of a landlord letter that you've been renting for the last 12 months with some bank statement history, along with 12 months utilities, whether it's Shaw, Epcor, or Direct Energy. That's why it's important to keep the bills for the last 12 months.
Okay. Now, earlier we talked about the interest rates. They get the same interest rates that anybody else would qualify for. But one of the things I wanted to bring up and remind people is that you want to make sure that you get yourself pre-approved and locked in for your mortgage. Tell us about the benefit of getting pre-approved and how locking an interest rate protects them.
Perfect. So there's really no drawback to being pre-approved. So during the pre-approval process, we let buyers know exactly what their budget is, and we can hold their rates for 120 days. So if rates go up, they get the rates that are guaranteed locked in today. If rates go down, they get the lower of the interest rate. So again, there's no drawbacks.
So for that 120-day period, they're going to get the lower rate of either today or future, or anytime during 120 days, they're going to get the lowest rate.
If it is lower, yes,
if
correct.
it's lowered. That's of course at the time that they make their offer.
Correct.
Right. Okay. Well, this is very, very important because, we've been hearing a lot in the news that the Bank of Canada is looking at raising interest rates at least another 3 more times in this calendar year, which means, of course, that'll force mortgage rates to be higher. So if you're thinking about buying, you're going to want to go in and talk to Chita. Just give her a call and get yourself pre-approved and lock your interest rate in before those interest rates go up. And if you're thinking about buying within this calendar year, again, the sooner you buy, probably the better your mortgage payments are going to be. So, is there anything else we should know about this program?
So, it's never too early to talk to a mortgage broker, and we always advise, because it's a very specific program, we would like to get clients, talk to a client or get them in before they go shopping. Because for whatever reason, if there's any challenges with credit or down payment, we have time to work with the clients to create an action plan so that they can get into their home sooner than later.
That's a very, very important point that she just brought up, is that if through the process of getting pre-approved, it is identified that there is an issue with your credit that would prevent you from getting a mortgage, she's going to help you design an action plan that's going to get you into home ownership as soon as possible. She'll tell you exactly what to do, what to take care of first, so that you can get that cleaned up and get pre-approved so that you can move into that dream home sooner. Is there anything else we should know, Chita?
No, just thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure. I'm always available, Monday to Friday, mornings, evenings, and weekends.
You'll probably notice right here on the screen, we have Chita's name and phone number. So if you need to get a hold of her, just give her a call and she'll make sure to take care of you. The other thing I want to remind everybody, of course, is the contest that we're having in the month of February. And that's where we're offering a $50 prepaid gift card of your choice. And all you have to do to qualify is like the post, comment on the post on something that you learned or you like about this video, and share it. And as soon as you do that, your name automatically gets entered. We'll draw for the card on March the 1st, and hopefully you might be the winner. But all you have to do is like, comment, and share. So for now, I'd like to say have a great day and take care.
Best of luck.